Hello students. Now this is the question is asked in JEE 2020. 7th January JEE 2020 this question is asked. So these type of questions they are asking in JEE mains. Okay, compulsory one question they will be asked. In every shift, every paper they are asking one question based on this. And in Maharashtra board class 12 first chapter you get 4 marks in Maharashtra board, 4 to 6 marks. So you can score directly 4 marks in that, and you can score directly 4 marks in this. Okay, let's see how to do it. If the logical statement P implies Q and Q implies my negation P is equal to dash. Option A P, option B Q, option C minus P, option D minus Q. This is the question asked in JEE 2020. This year, 7th January paper, this question in shift 1. Let's see how to solve. So, what you have to do here, let us identify how many statements are there. First one. So, here 2 statements are there. So, write the 2 statements. What are there? One is P, one is Q. Okay. Write the statements first. Okay. Carefully, you watch it carefully and you will understand what I am doing. Then I do the first thing is the left side. I do here. And under bracket what is there? Fill that. What you have here? P implies Q. So fill this bracket first. Fill this box. Okay, fine. I have done this. Let's go from this side. And don't go for and present. Just fill this under bracket. So Q means already you have your Q. So you want to write again Q, you write. That's up to you. But already you have Q, no need to write means don't need to write. That depends on you. Next, what you have here? Negation P. So you have to use negation P because you don't have here any negation P. So you have to use the negation P first. Try to understand the concept what I am teaching. Okay. Now under bracket what is there that you fill? What I get here? Q implies negation P. This is what I am going to fill it. Right. Very nice. Now I filled this part. Now what I am going to do is, now this left side part is closed over. The right side part, this one is over, under bracket is over. This is what I have done. So left under bracket, right under bracket over. Then overall thing you write down. What is the overall thing? P implies Q and what you have? Q implies negation P. This is what you have, correct? Right. Now let's see here. We do the JEE Mains 2020 question. Now what you have? T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. Now implies I said if I travel more than 100 kilometers per hour, I will get fine. TF is F, remain times it is true. TF is F, remain times it is true. Now negation P. Negation P means what? P reverse means wherever P is there, T is there and it is gets false. True is there, so it gets false. False is there, it will get true. False is there, you get true. And next what you have to do? Q implies negation P. Means Q, from Q you have to implies negation P. So Q implies negation P. What is the condition here? TF is F, remain times it is true. TF is F. FTFF is T. Okay. And TT is T. FT is T. Only TF is T. Right. Now I have done this thing. Now P implies Q and for this and this. For this and this box I have to use the AND connection. AND is what AND says. T and T is T. Right. T and T is T. Remain times it is F. So TF. T and T is T. Okay. TF. F. TFT. F. Wow. TT. T. Okay. TT. What I got here? Oh, sorry. TT. T. I got T. Now tell me which option is correct. Is this is P? No. Is this is Q? So option C is the right. We have done JEE 2020 January question. So likewise, tomorrow we'll do more questions of JEE 2019-20 and rest. So many are there. Properties are there. Tomorrow we'll learn the properties. Tomorrow we'll learn more things in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. And please watch the video and write the notes. Please write the notes. Don't waste your time. Write the notes and practice this. This is JEE questions. Compulsory in JEE you get 4 marks. In class 12 you get 4 marks. Thank you so much.